Students, hope that you all are fine. Today we will study chapter number 3 of Political Science class 10th. It is Democracy and Diversity. In this chapter, we will understand the following topics like origin of social differences, how democracy responds to social differences, politics of social division, and the outcome of politics of social division. Before we proceed, let us have an overview of this chapter. As you know, in the last chapter, we saw how power can be shared or distributed to accommodate linguistic and regional diversities. But language and region are not the only features that give a distinct identity to people. Sometimes people also identify themselves and relate with others on the basis of their physical appearance, class, religion, gender, caste, tribe, etc. What may be called as social differences. Dear students, let's first try to understand what the democracy and diversity is. Democracy and diversity are two separate concepts that need to be understood separately. As we know, democracy is a system of government in which people enjoy power, a system of government where people rule either directly or through their representatives. It's a government by the consent of people. People enjoy liberty as well as equality. Diversity suggests differences in region, culture, language, religion, etc. in a society. Diversity in society arises mainly on the basis of birth or on the basis of characters acquired. We know people acquire different characteristics bring diversity. It was believed that democracy may be successful if the society is homogeneous. For successful democracy, homogeneity was taken as necessary factor. But from past years, countries with diversity are functioning well. For example, in India, democracy is successful though it has huge diversity. In democracy, people put up their demands, but due to diversity, different social groups will have different demands. Thus, there is formation of political groups based on religion, language, caste, or other criteria. However, as democracy accommodates all social groups, it allows working of government even better. So the factors that give rise to social differences. Number one, birth. Birth is the most important factor which is responsible for social difference. A person in India is considered of a low caste because of his birth in the lower class family. A black is discriminated from white because of his color, which is once again controlled by birth. Number two, difference based on choice. Some of the differences are based on our choice. For example, some people are atheists. They don't believe in God or any religion. Difference also occur because of choice of occupation or because of people's professions and economic activities. Number three, difference based on religion. Sometimes religion can be one of the causes of social difference. It is fairly common for people belonging to the same religion feel that they don't belong to same community because their caste or sect is very different. Number four, differences based on economic status. Economic status can also be responsible for social differences. Rich and poor people belonging to the same community or religion or sect often don't keep close relations with each other as they feel that they are very different. Number five, difference based on caste or color. In many regions of the world, people are differentiated on the basis of caste or color. For example, in United States and South Africa, blacks were discriminated because of their skin color. Students, that's enough for today. Thanks. See you again in the next class.